Let's review. Why don't you toggle between pep and peep? Pep, peep, pep, peep, pep, peep. Next, bet and beat. Bet and beat. Bet, beat. And how about ear and beer? Ear and beer. Ear, beer. Write it as much as you can. And scene and seep. Scene and seep. Scene and seep. And queen and queer. Queen and queer. Queen, queer. Toggle back and forth between queen and queer. Then meet and mere. Meet and mere. All of these are written with a long E. Meet and mere. And next is peel and peer. Peel and peer. Toggle back and forth between those. All right, let's move to our long U. Let's try mutt and mute. Mutt and mute. Mutt and mute. Toggle between those. Next pair, tub and tube. Tub and tube. Tub and tube. The next is do and sue. Do, sue, do, sue. And suit and soup. Suit and soup. Suit and soup. Our next pair, duel and dupe. Duel, dupe. Duel, dupe. Toggle back and forth as many times as you can. Tour and cure. Tour and cure. Tour, cure, tour, cure. And lastly, we'll move to our long I. Try to write fill and file. Toggle back and forth between fill and file. Fill, file. Next word pair, kit and kite. Toggle back and forth between those two. Kit, kite, kite. And how about pie, like apple pie, and tie. Pie, tie. Pie, tie. Pie, tie. And the next pair is dire and dice. Dire, dice. Dire, dice. And our last twin set, tile and tire. Tile, tire, tile, tire, tile, tire. Excellent job.